my channel. So on this video, I will be showing you how I made this shirt. So right now I'm just, I forgot to record when I printed the paper or the image, but I'll show you in another one. So all I'm doing is pressing down this iron-on sheet, and when it's done, I'll come back and show you the finished product. So let's go ahead and take it off and see the finished product. So for this, this is a FortNite birthday party that we're going to. So I made the shirt for myself. And this is what it looks like. How pretty is that? Alright guys, so here's a shirt that I just made for a FortNite themed birthday party. And I'm going to show you what I did to get this on my shirt. Alright guys, so the program that I am using to make the shirts and design them and everything is a Silhouette Studio. And you can download it for free. You don't have to have the machine to be able to cut this or anything. All you need is the program, and you can download it for free, like I said. And the transfer sheets that I am using are these, and you can find these at Walmart, and they're just the fabric transfer. So that's what I'm using, and all I did is went to the website to do those letters, and here is the website, FortNiteFontGenerator.com, where you could go and get whatever word you want printed or you want on your shirt. So all you do is write down what you want here and do the size right here, whatever size you want. Let me see. So I wanted that, and then you just go create PNG, and it'll take you to this black screen, but all you do is right click it, and then you save it to your desktop. Okay, I'm trying to do this with one hand, guys. So this is the other one that I just printed out. So here's what it looks like. Here we go. So now we are going to put it on the shirt. Alright guys, so now we're just gonna iron it to the shirt, and you'll see in a little bit when we're done. It only takes about 3 to 4 minutes for it to stick on the shirt. So whenever we're done, I'll record again. Alright guys, so I think the shirt, the little sticker thingy is done, the iron-on thing. So we're gonna peel it off and show you the finished product. Awesome, yay! So this is what our FortNite birthday shirt looks like. And you can also make it yourself, guys. Like I said, download the program, buy the iron-on sheets at Walmart or your local store, wherever they sell them at, and a shirt, and that's it. All you need is an iron, and that's it.